Hello and welcome to Fractions and Mixed Numbers Non-Credit Math 2. This is Tanya Perrone, your instructor, and I'm going to go through a run-through the course with you so you understand how to use it and to be successful in this course. Here we are on the home landing page where you will start and see the introduction to the course. There is the course roadmap, the sections to complete, and additional information to get a hold of me. We are going to run through how to use this course and what to look forward to. To start off with, go through the course syllabus. Make sure you read it entirely so that way you can get a great sense of the course content, the expectations, and the guidelines. To get started, you'll want to go to modules, and you can use the link here in course roadmaps or the link off to the left in the menu bar. When you click on modules, it will show you all that you need for this course. It has the course text, additional math applications to use for this course, and it has each section with its materials. As we look through the sections, they each have their own text, which is within the main text, but separated by the section topic. It has additional materials, which are the notes that can be printed and filled in or used online to fill in, with the videos that assist with the text and the notes to be filled in. In addition, you have your homework assignment. Now, when you open the text to look through the course material, if you get this red error, do not freak out. There is a way to get to the text. Just click on the text one that's underlined, and it will take you straight to the text that you can go through for this particular topic of the textbook. Once you're there, you can use that with the course materials, which are the notes. When you open them, you are more than welcome to download the notes and open them as a Word document to where you can edit the notes. The notes are for you to use for your class and to add with the textbook and the videos. So in addition with the text and the notes, there are videos to help assist you through the problems. Some have more than one video, others have just one, and they go through the course notes and textbook with you. Next is the homework assignment. With each section, there is a homework assignment that has various 10 to 20 problems. Within each one, you do have multiple attempts, so if you submit and get the question wrong, you can try again to get full credit. There are additionally videos that help with each problem as you go through them. Once you are done, make sure you hit the Done button to get graded for the assignment. Now with each section, that is the process to go through, looking at the text, using the notes, going through the videos, and completing the homework assignment for all 6 sections. When you get done with the 6th section, there is some optional additional information for you. Those again are optional. You do not need to complete them, but they will help along with the fraction practice, the optional additional practice, and the fraction activity. Those are all optional. The last thing you need to complete for the course is the practice test. The practice test will demonstrate your understanding of the course content. Just like the homework assignments, with the practice test, you are also given multiple attempts to be able to complete the problems. Once you have completed, make sure you hit Done, and I will see on my end that you have completed all of the course material. Once you have finished, I will send you a nice message to show you that you have completed the course. I hope that this gives you an understanding of how to use the course. And again, if you need to get a hold of me, do not hesitate to reach out. You can use my email, messaging through Canvas, or use the Q&A discussion. I wish you all the best of luck with the course, and good luck.